Typically, higher limits carry higher premium. For a general life insurance policy, that maximum amount that the insurer will pay is referred to as the face value. This is the amount paid for your beneficiary upon your death. The affordable car Act ACA prevents ACA complements plan from instituting a lifetime limits for essential healthcare benefits such as family planning, mandatory services, and pediatric care. Deductible. The deductible is the specific amount you pay of a pocket before the insurer pay a claim. This will serves as deterrent to large volume of small and insignificant claims. For example, discrepant may pay the first $1 towards the claim. Suppose your car damage totals $2,000. You pay that first total at your insurer pay the remaining thousand. Deductible can apply per policy or claim depending on the insurance and the type of policy. Health plan may have individual deductible and a family deductible policy with high deductibles and typically less expensive because they high out of pocket expensive generally result in fewer small claims. Type of insurance. There are many different type of insurance. Let's look the most important. Health insurance. Health insurance help cover the routine and emergency medical care costs, often with the option to add vision and dental services separately. In addition to an annual deductible, you may also copays and insurance, which you are fixed payment or percentage of a coverage medical benefits after meeting the deductible. However, many prevention services may be covered for free before these are met. Health insurance may be purchased from an insurance company and insurance agent. The federal health insurance marketplace provided by an employer or federal medical Medicare and Medicaid coverage. The federal government no longer requires Americans to have health insurance, but in some states, such as California, you may a taxpayer qualify if you do not insurance tips. If you have chronic health issues, need regular medical attention, look for a health insurance policy with the lower deductible through an annual premium is higher than a comparable policy with a higher deductible. Less expensive medical care year around may be worth the trade-off. Home insurance. Home insurance, homeowner insurance also known as home insurance. Protect your home, other property, structure, and personal possession against natural disaster, expanded damage, theft, and vandalism. Homeowner insurance won't cover floods or earthquakes, which you will have and protect against separately. Policy provider usually riders increase coverage for specific property events and provision that can help reduce deductible. The adders will come and additional premium amount. Renters insurance is another type of homeowner insurance. Your your lender and landlord will likely require you to have homeowner insurance coverage. Where home are concerned, you do not have coverage or stop buying your insurance bill. Your mortgage lender is allowed to buy homeowner insurance for your charge you for it. Auto insurance. Auto insurance can help pay claims your if you injured or damage someone else's properties is in a car accident. Help pay for accident related repairs for a vehicle or repair or replace your vehicles if stolen, vandalized, or damaged by a natural disaster. Instead of paying off pocket for auto accident and damage, people say annual premium to an auto insurance company. The company then pay all of most of the coverage cost associated with an auto accident of or other vehicle damage. If you have a lease vehicle or borrowed money to buy a car, your lender or leases dealership will likely require you to carry auto insurance. As with homeowners insurance, the lender may be purchase insurance for your insurance. Life insurance. A life insurance policy guarantees that the insurer pay a sum of money to your beneficiaries, such as cost of your die. In exchange, you pay premium during your lifetime.